They have taught us a lot of things, including how to manage our finances and also how to be disciplined in sports.
The biggest thing today is just to make the players aware of our support to them, because we are here just to assist them to be able to see them perform very well at the Commonwealth Games. Today we met some of the athletes who are already in camp preparing for the Commonwealth Games. We have encouraged them on what is upcoming for them, and just to try and make it possible to give them the best grounds to be able to perform well at the Commonwealth Games. Something important for everybody in this country. We are looking for them to be able to bring medals home. We are encouraging them, we are motivating them in every way we can. We are here for them.